Hello everyone, let's do another makeup look today. We're going to do something simple with a little Colourpop, okay? Because I know not everybody likes bright colors on their face, but a little color never hurt anybody. So let's see what we come up with. So I already sprayed my face with some of this rose water, and I went ahead in with my serum. This is the Snow Mushroom Serum, Snow Mushroom Water Serum that I got from my BoxyCharm, which I absolutely love. So once I am done with this, I think if it's still on there, I'm gonna buy another one. Okay, and then I'm gonna let that set in. I'm gonna go ahead in with my Ace Beauty eye primer, just a little dot here. I'm just gonna blend it out. You can do this with the brush, you can do it with the finger, you can do it however you like. I like my finger because it like warms it up a little bit, helps make it smooth out a little more easier. But whatever floats your boat, you do what makes your little heart happy. Okay, just like that. And a little bit of this goes a long way. I have tons of makeup, guys, tons of stuff, so I'm waiting for these to finish so that I can justify buying more makeup. I definitely want to buy the Peas Louise base because I've heard amazing things from it. So as soon as we get a little cash flow coming in, then I will definitely be picking that up because I want to pick up a few more things other than just the one. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so got this primed. If you have any other favorites besides Peas Louise as far as eyeshadow bases, go ahead and let me know in the comments. That way I can try them out. I used to always use the NYX white one, which is this one, which I still love. I do like it because it's very bright and helps the colors pop. But I am looking for alternatives. So if you do have another one, let me know so I can try that out. That's my dog, so I'm sorry. I wanted to go for a more natural look as far as the eyes go because I know not everybody likes too much going on. However, I love too much going on. So I am just going through these. I got a couple palettes that I got from Colourpop. These are my newest palettes. This one is freaking amazing. I absolutely loved it. I used it for a look yesterday and I blown away. The colors are amazing on this one. And I only paid $5. $5. So yes. Check out Colourpop if you haven't. This one's the Cabana Club. They have beautiful colors on here. I am obsessed with this blue. I think I might use this color for the browns. And then there's this one, the Lush palette. I did not get this one for $5. This one was regular price, but come on. You said green? Yeah, that's why I got it. So we're gonna go with the Lush palette here. I'm using this palette by Colourpop. It is the Lush one, and I'm gonna be using Eco, and I'm going to be using this darker one here called Eden. So I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade we have here, which is Eden. And I'm going to add that to my outer V. Okay, just like that. Don't want to go too far up, so I'll try to keep it concentrated right there. If you need a smaller brush, please pick up a smaller brush. Anything more like this one. This one's a little tiny one. This one I actually got. It's the Lexi mini tapered that I got in my BoxyCharm. Look at how cute and glittery it is. I absolutely love this one. I'm gonna go ahead and there we go. Way better. Put that right in there. Just like this. Blend this out again. It is much darker than this one, so you can always add more just to lighten it. Add more to the other side to make it somewhat even. I absolutely love these shadows. They're very, very pigmented. And if you're new to makeup and don't have a lot of money to spend, I would definitely check out Marshall's. Raw Season even has some good makeup. TJ Maxx, you can find some high-end makeup there for a cheaper price than you would if you bought it directly on the website. I would definitely check out Colourpop. They have amazing colors at a very affordable price. definitely find something that you love there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to the bottom of my line right here, just a little bit, like that. So you want these semi-even there. We're gonna go ahead and buff this out. There we go. This one works perfectly. It doesn't even have a brand. I got it in like a set. I think from my brother. So thanks to my brother for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more concealer. We're gonna carve out this area here, and we're just going to add a shade. So you can either do that with concealer, or you can add some more of your eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go ahead and with the eyeshadow base, I'm going to, I only do it on one side, that way I have this side to kind of like blend it. There we go. That way you don't have too much puff. So I'm just gonna go all the way up here, kind of outline where I want it, like that. Yes, like that. Just gonna pat that in. You need to use your finger. Go ahead and use your finger to help pat that in. You want to keep most of the definition that you had already created here. Like so. Okay. We're going to do the same thing to this side. There, we're going to go back in with our shimmer shade. We have this one and this one. I wanted to keep this very neutral, so we're gonna go ahead in with this shimmery shade here, and we're gonna pack that on to that area. So you're gonna go back in with your brown. You're gonna fill in wherever you feel like you need a little more definition. Add a little bit depth, and then just blend that in. Okay, doing the same thing here. Add a little more shadow up there, just to give it that depth that I like. I'm gonna blend it out. Again, a clean brush, blending it out. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Some more shadow on that outer V. Just into it a little bit like this. So you can help blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Melt Cosmetics Blur. This is my favorite one to help really blend out all those colors and just give you like a nice finish here. Okay, that looks pretty good if you ask me. So now for the pop of color, which I love. So I'm going to add green for this pop of color. You are going to need a small brush and a green of your choice. I really like this one here because we're going to stick with the Lush palette. She's fire. So I'm going to add this to the inner corner of my eye, just along my lower lash line. Okay. Add this green here into my lower lash line. just like the best. We're going to clean up our edges here. Just gonna clean that up. So we got nice smooth edges with no brown over fall out. Okay, now onto the brows. So yesterday I used this one, Revlon Color Stay. It was a little light for me, but I'm gonna use it anyway since it's all I have at the moment. And I am going to color shade it in after, just so it can make it match. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with the this one. It is my Brow Gal, and I'm going to go in with that darker color. I'm actually going to spritz this just to get it a little wet, so it's a little more darker when I put it into my darker shade here. I'm just going to mimic those hairs. Sorry if you can hear my dogs, they like to fight. Okay. This helps darken it up so it's not so light. Okay, we're gonna do some eyeliner. Oops. So that went a little further than I expected, but it's okay. Because we're gonna make it work. Liner is always the hardest thing for me to do. Oh, see, that is why. It's okay, we're gonna fix that. You're gonna get your little Q-tippy. I like it. Okay, so this is where we're stopping for the eyeliner. I'm gonna try to copy the same thing on this side. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. I got this one in my BoxyCharm, and I absolutely love it. Totally forgot to put on some primer, but it's okay. I'm not really going anywhere today. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. So make sure you put on your primer prior to doing this. I'm gonna spray my brush. On top of that, I am going to add some concealer just to black out any of the spaces that I don't, I need a little bit more light, like here, 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 down the center of my nose, up here, here, and here. Okay. I personally like it under my eyes just to help with that lift effect. Totally not, you don't have to do it, just whatever you like, and that's just what I like. Okay, I'm gonna go in with, not that one, I'm gonna go in with my Airspun, put that on everywhere. I need to hurry because my husband's gonna come home soon. I still have to make dinner and I still have to get dressed. Cookie. So, some contour. I like to contour here on the side of my neck to help with the double chin. Forehead because it's a little wide there. I just crunch it up like this, or I have this other brush, but I can't find it at the moment. I need to hurry. So when I'm in a rush, this is how I do it. Okay. So this is the final look. I think it's so cute, very subtle, you know, still have some browns in there with a pop of green, which I absolutely adore for St. Patrick's Day. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys do it, please be sure to tag me so I can see it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.